Dear students, so today I am going to be discuss on the concepts of the discontinuity of a function. So in the discontinuity of a function, we are using three cases. In the case first one, we have to use when x is lesser than a. In the second case, when x is greater than a. In the third case, we are going to use when x equal to a. So now we are going to be solve the first one example on the discontinuity of a function. Here what they are given, find all the points of discontinuity of a function when f of x equal to 2x plus 3, when x is lesser than or equal to 2, and when x is greater than 2, that time the f of x is 2x minus 3. So in the case first I will take, in case 1, when x is lesser than 2, when x is lesser than 2, so that time what we have, the function is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So now this 2x plus 3 is in the form of the what? It is of the form of the polynomial function. So already we know that every polynomial function is continuous. It is of the form, it is form of polynomial function. Therefore it is, directly we can write, it is continuous. Here we are not going to be show that limit x extends to a of f of x equal to f of a, because already we know that every polynomial function is continuous. In case 2, what we are going to take, when x is greater than 2, when x is greater than 2, so that time the function is again f of x equal to 2x minus 3. So now this is also in the form of the what? The polynomial, that is in the form of a raised to an x raised to n. So this is also form of polynomial. Therefore what we can be say, it is form of polynomial function. Therefore we can say it is continuous. In the third case, when x equal to 2, this is very important, when x equal to 2, in the case of when x equal to 2, we are going to again to be check for whether LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of a. So this is mandatory that we have to take again the first one function, that is when x is lesser than 2, when x is greater than 2, and when x equal to 2. When x is lesser than 2, what we have? When x is lesser than 2, what we have? That is 2x plus 3. When x equal to 2, again it is the same, 2x plus 3. When x is greater than 2, so that time what we have? 2x minus 3. Again we have to check for the LHL is equal to RHL is equal to f of a. If that condition not satisfied, then we can say that it is not been continuous for the value of x equal to 2. Okay, so when I will take the LHL, limit x tends to what we have to take, it is continuous at the point 2 minus of f of x. That limit x tends to 2 of minus what we have, the function that time when x is lesser than 2, 2x plus 3. So here x is, instead of x we have to substitute the value as 2, because it is continuous at the point 2. 2 minus of means it is not the minus 2, we are going to be substitute as the positive 2 only. So 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3, what we get, the values 7.